This probably isn't the first video you watched, and it's probably not even going to be the last video you watch, but you can change that. And even if you are subscribed to me, it's not the only channel you're subscribed to. How do I know? Like, when you just scroll on YouTube, like just go on YouTube, watch some YouTube videos that you shouldn't really be watching, and just go over, scroll homepage, refresh the homepage, and then just go over and over and over again on videos, just seeing a million other videos, and then you somehow found this video. I'm not the most popular, I'm not the most clickbaity, I don't have 10 million views. It's just some random 16-year-old that you're watching right now. That, like, if that's a sign of anything, it's probably that you probably watch a little bit too much of YouTube. If you're gonna watch a 16-year-old, you're probably gonna watch something else, someone else, a bunch of other things. But I can relate to you watching video after video, scrolling on all the different types of videos on your homepage and stuff, trying to get value out of any type of video, any way, shape, or form. Just, oh, I gotta get my next piece of value, I gotta, get some more out of YouTube. When all the value, all the ways to get more out of YouTube is actually to stop watching YouTube videos and actually do something that I've learned from the millions of videos I watched on YouTube. Like all the value things that I would need, like all the ways to fix your life and improve your life and make money and stuff. All of that, like all of the things, all of the ways to get money and pro tips and stuff. All of them require action. All of them require actually doing something. And like one of those things that you probably just should do is live your life. Stop watching so much YouTube. Stop consuming a bunch of stuff. Because the thing is, like, I don't even watch, like, yeah, I have some favorite, like, YouTubers, but I don't even watch them anymore. Because it's just so much stuff to consume. There's just so much stuff out there. Even if there is like some amazing channel, like it's just so much stuff to consume. So I'm not gonna do it because I'd rather just live my life and actually try to do things in my life. Whether it's make some random stitch on my hat, whether it's, be right here, be in this nice place, whether it's doing anything in my life, I'm actually trying to do stuff in my life. I also made these buttons, and I made this thing, you see that? It's like a little face on it. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And I literally did that today, so that's just a fun thing you can do. So, but yeah, I would have got all the value that I needed if I just took action. If I tried to do something, went outside, worked out, did something in my life. That's all the value, that's all the things you need to do in your life. Because that's when you learn the most. You learn the most by taking action, and I feel like you feel a lot happier when you actually take action and you're not just watching a bunch of YouTube videos that you forget about the next day. Because that's what all the value in the video is anyway. Take action. Take action to actually get something out of it. So take action on this. Maybe stop watching as much YouTube videos. Maybe try to do some cool thing, create something. And that leads me to my next thing. Like, what do all the people, all the things that you consume, what do those people do? Like, what am I doing right now? What are a million other YouTubers doing? Creating. They're creating things in your life, whether it's some weird thing on your hat. It's supposed to be a fish, by the way, so like it's supposed to be a fish. Create stuff, create things in your life, and also create moments to happen. Create opportunities in your life. You can create one right now by making this the last video you watch and actually taking some type of action in your life. I'm sorry if I'm like, oh, but I'm just some 16-year-old, so like, what am I supposed to, what am I to play a part, like telling you what to do with your life? But once again, like, I could relate to you. I just wish I had a video like this 1 or 2 years ago, and just telling someone to actually do something with your life, instead of just watching video after video. So take action on the things you already know you should be doing. You know you should probably go outside more. You know you should probably talk to more people. You know you should probably start a YouTube channel if you want. You know you should do this thing in your life, do this uncomfortable situation, talk to this one stranger, talk to this one person at school. You know what you really should be doing. And sometimes, like, are you just watching videos to feel productive, feel good, and to kind of, what's that word? Like disguise from the realities of your life, escape from the realities of your life. So take the action you know you should be doing and make this the last video you actually watch. You know how I said this probably isn't the first video you watched, and I'm probably not the only channel that you're gonna subscribe to. Subscribe to my freaking channel. No, I'm kidding. You don't have to, but like, make this the last video you watch. That's the thing you can change right now. Don't complain. Like, okay, yeah, it's probably not that great that you watch so many videos, but don't make that, like, don't worry about the past. It's already happened. So change what you can do right now and make this the last video you watch. I'm not saying to, never watch a video again or something, but you probably consumed a lot. You probably consumed enough so you got something out of a video so you can apply it in your life. Because that's when you learn the most, when you actually do stuff in your life. Because when we're babies, we learn so much stuff from actually, like, I don't know, like breaking a window, like falling down this table or something. Like, we learn so much by actually doing stuff, by walking, taking our first steps, baby steps. We learn so much from doing that. And we didn't learn as babies by just watching a million videos. I mean, maybe we learned some stuff, but we actually got the most out of it when we took action on it. I feel like that's such a big brain analogy that I just came up with. So yeah. So yeah, take action on the things you know you should be doing and create stuff. So yeah. Also, if you're interested, I have a like-minded club that you can join. It's in the link in the description. It's a Discord server where we all talk, we all interact, and we all try to give each other value. So we actually take time to apply the things we learn in real life. We're action takers and we're willing to succeed. So join that to have people you can actually relate to and talk to and also want to change. And the last thing I actually want to say, I'm going to have in the link in the description a bunch of Chrome extensions that will make you watch YouTube less. So they're super helpful. So install one of them. There's no virus or anything. It's a Chrome extension. And yeah, so yeah. It's also my Discord server if you want to see that, the Chrome extension. So yeah, I'll see you later, bud. Peace.